In this video, let's learn how to change A06 mobile wallpapers. In this video, I will tell you how to download beautiful wallpapers and you can add your custom wallpapers. You can turn on your mobile data or connect to Wi-Fi. After, go to settings. Scroll down this page and go to wallpaper and style option. In here, click on this change wallpapers option. In here, you can use these pre-installed wallpapers. You can see a lot of wallpapers have. If you want to choose your custom wallpaper, you can click on this gallery option and you can select your photo on your mobile gallery. If you want to get new wallpapers, I will show you how to do this. Scroll down this. Click on this get more wallpapers option. Now you are going to this Galaxy store. In here you can see lot of wallpapers have. Now we want to pay these wallpapers to buy. Now I will show you how to get free wallpapers. Click on this top option and click on this all icon and you can set it to free. Now these all wallpapers are free for you. You can select the best wallpapers. Now I select this one. You can see the details and download file size. You can select the review. I click on this download button. Okay, wallpaper downloaded. Now I apply it. You can set this wallpaper to your lock screen and home screen both. Now I select both and click on next. This is the preview on my lock screen. Okay, now let's check our downloaded wallpaper. This is our new wallpaper. You can see very beautiful wallpaper we downloaded. And this is the lock screen same wallpaper. In this method you can install new wallpaper on your A06 mobile.